Hey guys, welcome back. I'm glad to talk to you again, glad to upload a video. It's been about 2 weeks. For no real reason I haven't uploaded, just other than being lazy, trying to find that motivation. I've been playing heaps of basketball, been playing soccer, hanging out with the family, that sort of thing. But why I'm making this video is I have asked for it before, and I'd like to see if you can send me your video footage of your work. It can be anything: plastering, painting, hanging drywall, anything similar to the videos that I create, around 5 to 10 minutes long. You can send it to me through the link below. Just upload it to a Google Drive folder, and I'll take that and I will maybe edit it if I have to, and I will then upload it and share it to my viewers on YouTube. In return, I will give you either Amazon gift card, or I can pay you directly in PayPal, or even Bitcoin. If you dabble in a bit of Bitcoin, I can send you some Bitcoin. That's not a problem, and it's pretty fast as well. And if you're a plasterer or someone who does drywall like every day, it could be a good way for you to earn a little bit extra money, especially if you're in some countries that don't pay as much as my country, Australia. Maybe you only get paid, less than $50 a day or something. This could really help you out. It's going to help me out, and it's going to share with everyone else, how things are done in that country. Let me know how you want to do it. But when you do upload the video, I'd like it in a horizontal format, in high definition. What else can I tell you? It doesn't have to be in English. It can be in any language. If you go around your job, you explain what you're doing, explain the steps, explain the products you're using, what products you like, what you prefer. Even if it's a tour around your job site maybe, and showing different tools or how you do some certain things, that can be good. There's no wrong video or anything like that, just as long as it's pretty clean, not too shaky. My videos aren't that great, so as long as it's as good as mine. I make a lot of videos and I get a lot of responses, people using bazookas. If someone has got a bazooka video that they can send me, that would be much appreciated. Someone sends me a good 10-minute clear video of bazooka, I'll give them $50 straight off the bat. And even if it's a few people in different cities sending bazooka videos, $50 off the bat on each one of you guys. I hear a lot of stories of people being able to put on rolls and rolls of paper tape with those bazookas each day. I don't get to see bazookas in my circles, so I'd really like to see that. So it's going to be interesting to see. Hopefully I get some video. I've asked for it before. No one's ever sent me a video, which is a shame, because I really want it. What else can I say about it? Maybe you don't want to upload directly on YouTube. Maybe you're shy. Send me the video, I'll upload it. You get to see people's reactions, get to see people's responses. I really enjoy it. I'm doing a job knowing that I'm going to make a video, and you finish a job, you might get paid or whatever, job's done. It leaves a legacy that lives on. It's not just finished. I can look back at a lot of my videos and remember the day, and just the memories are good. So it's really rewarding. But yeah, if you can shoot some video, maybe you're at work right now, or maybe tomorrow you're going to work and you have some meters to do. Maybe you're putting up a ceiling, or you're setting some bulkheads or something like that. Just think about it. Get your colleague to pull the camera out for half an hour, do a bit of a demo, explaining what you're doing. That'd be good, really. So I don't know what else to say other than send me the videos. You're gonna get paid like straight away. Go to McDonald's or something, use their Wi-Fi, whatever you gotta do, upload it to me, and I'm gonna put it on YouTube. And oh yeah, a little clause. It's the videos that I put on YouTube is what I'm gonna pay. If someone sends me a 2-minute shaky video of the ground, Obviously I'm not going to pay anything, I'm not going to use the video, but if I feel the video is good enough that I can use it on YouTube, I will definitely be paying you straight away. And as soon as I get the video, I'll watch it and I'll say yes, I'll be using that, and I will send you that money or the gift card, whatever you want, so it's fast. What else can I say about it? Oh yeah, so hopefully you know, you can keep sending videos through. Maybe you do a whole range of different things, and you know, this week you can send some setting, next week you can send some fixing or some painting or something like that. Just keep it interesting, keep paying you for the videos, so hopefully we can continue it, get to meet more of you great people. And shout outs to all the subscribers out there. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button now, hit the bell if you want, hit the like button, comment if you're gonna make a video for me, comment if you just feel like commenting, or if you just feel like saying hello. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to the regular uploading soon. I just haven't had really any good jobs to do, and after filming my buddy Craig, who's like really good, much better than me, I've like lost a lot of motivation to put on my crappy videos of my crappy jobs. So I think that's why I haven't uploaded lately, because my work just doesn't compete with what he's doing, and I feel like, you know, people aren't really interested as much, but I don't really care. I should just keep uploading, because one thing might not help one person, but it can help the next, and I enjoy doing it anyway. And you know, there's like a million drywall videos out there, and I only have a couple hundred, so you know, other than that, it's really good. I really enjoy it. So yeah, please send me some videos. Please make sure they're in horizontal mode, nice and clear. Try and you know, don't shake it around too much. You know what to do. Send the video. If it's good, you get paid straight away. I'm gonna upload it. Let's get busy. Let's get heaps of videos, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks very much, and make sure, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if you got any questions on how to do things or anything like that, or what tools you like to use, make sure you hit me up in the comments below. Thanks a lot, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.